see your face everywhere that I go. The clouds in the sky, on the faces of strangers. The birds sing your name and the fish try to talk, 'cause without you the world would be too dark to matter. You're like the sun, you're so far away, but your light shines out and brightens each day when you're not around. Make it worthwhile to expect you. You're like the sun, you turn on a switch and the gloom is gone. You gave me my life and you carry on without ever wanting a thank you. You're like the sun. Everyone loves you and wants you around, but it's me most of all for my own selfish reason.